Hi everyone, I'm Tyler from Thrills United, and just like most of you, I'm staying at home to stop the spread of COVID-19. I know the days can feel long and boring, and you don't know what to do at some point, so come along with me and I'll show you what I've been doing. In between schoolwork and video editing, it's always nice to go out for a bike ride on a beautiful day and get some exercise. Staying home for this long definitely requires some new recipes. So after some hard work, we are here with our beautiful looking funnel cake. Even though the theme parks are closed, let's bring some theme park food to us. I hope you guys enjoyed learning what I'm doing while I'm staying inside and staying home and staying safe. But one big thing I want you guys to take away from this whole experience is don't let the days melt away. Do that thing you've always wanted to try, but time has held you back. Don't just spend all your days watching Netflix, even though that can be fun sometimes. You can also explore your passions, and one thing that can really help you is setting a schedule of how you're going to do things in your day so it doesn't just melt away. Make sure you're spending lots of time with your family and you're getting out and exercising. That's all from me for now. Make sure to stay home, stay safe, and be productive. Bye.